Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 102 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman, brought to you by our good old friends down at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building along with me this 1/8 scale Batmobile. First up, we got the TV show there, the OGG and I. There you go. Egghead, look at that. Good man. Great Batman comics, Origin of Killer Croc there. Batman Year by Year comic there is a Batman 18 Part 2 there. Continuation there. Again, notice how dark the artwork becomes as time goes on. It's a sinister side they tried to bring from it. Continuation there of Year by Year. Rather aggressive looking Batman there. This was the DC Black Label title for mature readers, and it was a horror triumphant. So there you go. Car parts there. We're going to be installing the door handle and side piece onto the right hand side door there. That's the parts we've got. So we're going to need the door from the previous issue, fitting in the door handle as you can see there, and then trimming it out like so. And that's the result we're going to end up with today, folks, okay? So that's the magazine done. So what we'll do, put that to one side and we'll bring in the parts and we'll start a bit of assembly for you. All right, so let's open this one. Right, so that's the pieces we've got. We've got a little chrome part as well there. So we're going to be pressing this in, matching it to the recess of the door. So let's get that in situ. Rest that in place and then just firmly press it in. Just like so. Okay, that's that in. We'll then keep the door face down because we're going to be putting in the inner trim panel, which is this piece, okay? And that's going in with the 3 EM screws, folks, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing now. So line that up on the door nice and carefully, like so. Goes over this lug, and that one, just like so. And then we could start fixing the screws in place. So our usual bit of oil. And we'll put the screws in a fraction at a time, just to get them resting in place, and then we'll come back and fully tighten them at the end. A little bit of oil because we're going into the die cast. And this really does help the assembly process. It may seem daft to do it, but it really does work well. Just rest that in there. Grab the last screw. And whilst I'm doing this, see, the oil that's on the threads of the other ones is just working its way around. So by the time I come to do the last screw up, they'll be nice and pre-lubed. So we can come back now, fully tighten this one. And that's just literally like a knife through butter. Perfect. Come back, do this one. Just like so. And then this one down in the bottom corner there. Perfect. And that is now that inside of that door all dressed up and looking rather sexy, isn't it? Eh? Yeah. So there you go, folks. So that's another door done. We'll put that to one side. Don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this 1/8 scale Batmobile. Also, to help me out, you can click little faster in the corner and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Be really appreciative. Remember to ring the bell whilst you're there. Select all to be notified of upcoming content. Also, if you could just like and hype the video, thumbs up, etc. Just puts it out there, lets more people come and see me. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.